In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable full screen mode in Google Chrome browser. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser window is active and selected, because the keyboard shortcut needs to be sent directly to Chrome in order to work properly. Once Google Chrome is open, press the F11 key on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Chrome will switch into full screen mode. You should notice that the top part of the browser disappears, including the tab bar and the address bar, giving you more space to view the website content. If your keyboard has function keys that perform special actions by default, you may need to press the Fen key together with F11. This depends on the type of keyboard and the settings on your device. If pressing F11 alone does not work, try Fn and F11 at the same time. When Chrome is in full screen mode, you can continue browsing normally. You can scroll, click links, watch content, and interact with web pages just as you usually would. If you want to exit full screen mode, press F11 again. That will return Google Chrome to its normal window view, and all of the browser controls will reappear. This makes it easy to switch back and forth whenever you need to. That covers everything you need to know.